The Sims position. This is also called semi-prone. So the patient is somewhat prone, but not completely prone where they're laying on that abdomen. So here you can see our patient. The patient is lying on their left side. That is the key with the Sims position. We're talking about being on the left side. And notice that that right hip and that knee are flexed, while that left hip and knee are slightly extended. And the right arm can be at the side, and the left arm can be slightly behind the patient. Now this position can be used for Foley catheter insertion on the female patient. So if your patient wasn't able to get in that dorsal recumbent position because they have mobility issues, this is a great alternative. Plus, it's a great position to give enemas in and for sleeping. Some problems that can arise from this position is that pressure injuries can occur on the ear, the great trochanter, and the side of the heel and ankle. Okay, so that wraps up this video, and don't forget to check out the other videos in this series.